Purely Diffused. Today is a very exciting video. We are in the final days until baby number 3 arrives. I say we as if it's my child, but
I mean, it kind of is.
Kind of. I feel like I will love this as my own. Today we're going to share with you what Aleks is taking with her to the hospital, some really good essential oils for the laboring process, for birth, delivery, and then aftercare, right?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, so let's hop into today's video.
So the first oil I am definitely going to be packing with me is CLARY Sage. CLARY Sage is actually known to help speed up the labor process, which I imagine is probably going to be pretty quick anyway because this is my 3rd, but anything that can make labor go faster, I am all for. So that's the number 1 in my bag. This one can actually be taken internally, so you can just put a drop of it on your tongue. They say you can use it as often as every 15 minutes, so
cool.
I may be trying that.
We'll have to time it and report back.
Yeah.
She has like a 5-minute labor. We'll attribute that to
We'll have to do an after labor hospital bag review video.
Oh, that's a good idea. So peppermint is the next one in her hospital bag. This one can be used for pain management as well as, I would assume, alleviating any nausea that she's feeling. This would maybe be a good one to take in the car with you when you're driving there.
Yeah, sniffing en route.
Yeah.
Probably give me a little bit of energy too, because I feel like that might be needed.
It'll cool you down if you get hot, because it's August. Yeah. So you probably need all the cooling aids you can get.
It's one I like to diffuse. It's not really the recommended labor diffusing blend, but I feel like I'm probably just going to want to diffuse what I like the smell of. So another one that we're going to bring has been a popular,
I'm coming with you. We didn't know.
We're going to video the whole process.
Your husband.
Okay, so another one that I'm going to bring is DIGIZE. This has been one I've been using a lot throughout my pregnancy. It's been really great for heartburn, any digestive issues, upset tummy, nausea. I imagine any of those can happen, so I just want to have that as a just in case.
The next oil that's going into Aleks's hospital bag is my personal favorite.
Mine too.
Yeah, it's amazing. Our daily perfume, and it is Stress Away. So I need to smell it again. Hold on. How are you using this?
I'm probably going to, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use it. I just need to have it near me at all times. It just smells so good. So I imagine I'll probably do something similar to what you're doing and rub it onto
wrists?
My wrists. I was trying to think of a better word. But yeah, my wrists, or just inhale it directly from the bottle, or maybe diffuse. I'm not quite sure, but I definitely know that that's one I want to have on me, because it's something I just enjoy the smell of. So
it's very relaxing. Are you gonna be bringing your diffuser jewelry into the labor room?
I don't remember. Are we allowed to wear jewelry?
I had my babies at home, so I had no rules to follow.
I don't remember if we were allowed to wear jewelry. I feel like we weren't. So I'm gonna be diffusing in the room, so
you may not need it.
I may not need it. So another one
I'm telling you, I'm coming. You're inviting me. If I can stay home with the kids, we'll go labor.
So I'm bringing lavender as well. Lavender is just, the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. I'm going to bring it for relaxation. Again, I can sniff it right out of the bottle, probably add it to a diffuser blend. I can use it post delivery to help with healing.
If you have an episiotomy, it's really good to help heal that area up.
We won't. This is going to be a tiny baby. That's not going to happen.
It would be a good one to apply if you have a C-section scar as well, too. I gave it to my girlfriend who had a cesarean, and I just put it in a roller ball for her with some sweet almond oil.
As well as Frank, probably.
Yeah, Frank would be, I can't remember if I added Frank to hers, but Frank would definitely be one to add to that.
Frank is another one I'm going to be throwing in there as a just in case for helping with healing, as well as calming, boosting my immune system.
Yeah, yeah. Especially in a hospital setting too, because there's a lot of infections and viruses and whatnot, so Frank is really good for being protected against infections.
Yeah, there's a few oils that are constantly in my bag for anything, so these are 2 of them that will just be transferred from one bag into another. This trusty old bottle is my Gentle Baby bottle that I actually purchased when I was pregnant with my oldest daughter. So this is a really great oil to use for bonding with baby. So you can, I'm going to apply it directly on the breast area when I first start breastfeeding, and it's supposed to just help make that connection, and I think it works really well because me and Lila have a great connection. So
it's a love oil.
Yeah.
Was that the first bottle of oil you ever
Yeah,
got?
this is the first bottle of oil. It's still, it's getting low, but I don't use it as often as I probably should, which is why it looks
well
the way
loved.
it's been well loved.
Fennel is one that is also going into her hospital bag. This is really good for helping to bring in your milk supply. This is a really good one for colic relief. So if your baby's a little bit colicky and you're breastfeeding, you can take this internally and it'll help reduce gassiness in the baby. And you could also rub this on the abdomen of the baby and do some little massage techniques if you are not breastfeeding and want to help alleviate some painful gas bubbles and colic-like symptoms.
All the fun newborn things. So the last oil I'm probably going to bring, I don't have it on me right now, is lemon. Lemon is one of my favorites, and I'm just bringing it simply because one of my favorite diffusing blends is lavender, lemon, and peppermint. So I just want to have a whole arsenal of options to choose from, because you never know what you're gonna love and what you're going to hate that day.
That's true.
So I definitely want to have some backup in case maybe stress away is not what I'm feeling that day.
Or in case you run into some guacamole and you need to add your lemon essential oil.
It's true. I do need my lemon in my guacamole at all times.
All right, guys, that's everything we've got for you today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to share it with your expecting friends or anyone that plans to have a baby and wants to know some of the things that they can prepare for. So we will catch you guys in another video. Make sure you're subscribed before you leave. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you soon. Take care. Ciao.